Hey everyone, welcome back to Rob Gallagher's Vinyl Reviews. So today we're going to go over A Momentary Lapse of Reason, the 1987 album. Yeah, 1987, I got it right, with all the beds in the front. So I'll be honest with you, this is my second least favourite. Lagoon was last, this is second last, as one of their worst albums. It's really commercial and 80s poppy in a way. And so side one is really good. Side one, Signs of Life, Learning to Fly, The Dogs of War, One Slip, On the Turning Away, are amazing songs, and they are really good. I love them. Side two, we have Yet Another Movie, Round and Around, A New Machine Part 1, Terminal Frost, A New Machine Part 2, and Sorrow. Side 2 is where it just sort of goes. I've listened to side 2 a few times, but usually I will only play side 1 because that's where the good songs are on the album. The second half of the album for me just isn't very good. And you know, they lost Roger Waters, and they were dealing with, because they were going to put out another album under the Pink Floyd name, and Roger Waters obviously wasn't very happy. He believed that Pink Floyd was him. He was, such a big part of Pink Floyd that they shouldn't put out another album under the Pink Floyd name without him. But he did quit the band, so, But that being said, they lost their primary guy, primary songwriter. Primary guy, what the fuck am I on about? And that's why a lot of the songs just fail to impress me. Signs of Life is a beautiful opening track with a really nice watery boat sound, which they were on. I don't know who owns it, but one of them owns one of those long boats you get in a river boat sort of thing, and they were on the boat when they were conceptualizing this album, so that's probably where that comes from. Learning to Fly is an amazing song. I love the beat in that song. Nick Mason's drumming is amazing. The Dogs of War is a really great heavier rock song. It actually is one of my favorites. It is really good. And then One Slip. I love David Gilmour's vocals and this whole idea of once you relapse your addiction, which in this song's case, it's gambling. Once you start gambling again, it's one slip and you're taken down, And I agree with the sentiment, But if you do relapse, it's always important to get yourself back up and try again. But that's something else. And then side one ends with On the Turning Away, which is a beautiful love song. I love, again, David Gilmour's vocals. He absolutely smashes it. And that's all the good songs on the album. It's not, honestly... Well, it does have a different... So it does have a different label. It's not very good. I'll be honest with you, I don't have a lot to say about it, because it's not the best album. This album is a 4 out of 10. It's a 4 out of 10. And I know this review is shorter than most. I apologise, there's not a lot I can say about this album. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you again when we do the Division Bell. I'll see you on the B-side, and a wink.